The official hands-on date is confirmed for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but keep note, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is on a really good deal from Samsung, which you can avail from a pro listed in this video. Samsung is going to make some real changes with the S26 Ultra. While the design is confirmed, we got the release date of S26 Ultra. The King of Leaker already confirmed the exact date, which is 25th of Feb 2026, which is about a month delay compared to the S25 Ultra, which was released on 22nd of Jan 2025. But when we see the actual release date for the users, well, this is about to reveal from a French source who confirms the release date for European region. And according to them, we are going to see the S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26 base model with their range of accessories will be available in Europe from March 11, 2026. This is quite late compared to the S25 series and even the previous Galaxy launches. But this is how much a normal user needs to wait to get their hands on Galaxy S26 Ultra. But if you don't want to wait, S25 Ultra is still a good option with a much discounted pricing from Samsung listed in this video. The set of cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra is out and all are saying the same thing. Samsung changed the design. The individual camera era is over and we got the new design, and these are official thin-bone cases for the S26 Ultra. Nothing groundbreaking, just revealing the official design of S26 Ultra. Also, there's another leak which is a big blow for the people looking for the S26 Plus, since we got a special news. At SemiGuru, they tested out the early software module of S26 Plus with rooted phone and the things are pretty good. They found privacy display is available on S26 Plus. Yes, it is not exclusive to S26 Ultra but also coming on S26 Plus. But they also mentioned we cannot confirm since they might change this at the last moment. So far, this is a good news for the user who want to buy the S26 Plus. Now, let's see the difference between the S26 Ultra and S25 Ultra and see if you really need an update from this phone. From display to design, Samsung has changed a bunch of things on S26 Ultra. Even the first look of the S26 Ultra is out and we saw some visible changes in the S26 Ultra. But recently, there's a source who shared a complete set of specs for the S26 Ultra in comparison to S25 Ultra. And looking at the specs, yes, there are some changes in it and some are really bad. So at the start, both devices are going to feature a 6.9 inches display. The change is in the display technology. S25 Ultra came with M13 while the S26 Ultra will be featuring the M14 panel. But the interesting thing is, S26 Ultra and S25 Ultra both are featuring the same 2600 nits of peak brightness, despite using the new technology on S26 Ultra. The processor is obvious, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which got more details in it than just a simple change. And the list also shows a 12 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of RAM. Well, this is where things got different. S26 Ultra is featuring a 16 gigs of RAM option, but only for limited markets. I mean, even source confirmed, China would be one of it where we can see a 16 gigs of RAM on S26 Ultra. Else, even the 1TB version will be seeing a 12 gigs of RAM across all models. Now the cameras, 50 megapixel is same, but the 3x 10 megapixel is seeing a change for next year. Did you notice something? The aperture is better on S25 Ultra compared to the S26 Ultra. Well, this is the downgrade I was talking about. Even he shared this spec sheet. Well, while I have more details about the 3x telephoto sensor, other cameras will be same. Now the battery is another thing. 5000 mAh battery, same on both phones. Well, some suggest 5200 seems a bit off now, so no battery change next year. But the charging speed is seeing a change next year. 45 watt on S25 Ultra and 65 watt on S26 Ultra. So finally, a change we want is here. He didn't mention a wireless charging update, but S26 Ultra is also going to see a wireless charging update from 15 watt to 25 watt. Another major change we have on S26 Ultra is it will come with a magnet in it. The thickness is also changed from 8.2mm to 7.9mm, which is another plus, probably one of the slimmest Ultra from Samsung. And there is a slight change in the weight of a phone. 218 grams on S25 Ultra compared to 214 grams on S26 Ultra. Hardly notice a difference in real life. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.